With Composer already installed, go ahead and create a new project with the Drupal recommended project repository and put it in a folder called Docksal. Once finished, go into the Docksal directory. Now we're going to run fin init, which is going to create our Docksal project. When it's done creating our containers, it will give us a URL that we'll use locally in our browser. Now let's go to the browser and go to the Docksal domain that it gave us. Here we see a typical Drupal installation. We'll run through the questions, and here we're going to enter database name is always going to be default when using Docksal. The username is going to be user. The password is going to be user as well. You need to change the database host to DB. Now, what we've realized here is that upon normal setup of Composer and Docksal, we get the default 5.6 MySQL. Now, Drupal 9 requires a minimum of 5.7. So what we need to do is go here into Docksal and update Docksal so that it will install the 5.7 image. Using fin config, we'll put the 5.7 image in our environment. Then we need to restart by typing fin project start, or just fin up would have done it too. And now what it's doing is it's downloading the 5.7 image so that we can use it in our current environment. Once complete, we can go back to our browser and finish the installation. So now we've got the configuration form here that we just need to fill out, and I'm just putting random information in here just to complete the installation. This concludes the default installation of Drupal 9.